Hey there, science fans! Are you ready to embark on an incredible journey? Get ready for an adventure into the amazing world of animals. From the dense jungles to the vast savannas, the animal kingdom is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. We're going on a safari right here, right now. Imagine yourself in a jeep, driving through the wild, spotting majestic creatures in their natural habitats. But first, we need a map. A map that will guide us through the diverse landscapes and help us locate the incredible animals that inhabit them. That's where animal classification comes in. Scientists have developed a system to categorize and understand the vast diversity of animal life on our planet. Think of it like sorting your toys. Dinosaurs in one bin, stuffed animals in another. Just like you organize your toys, scientists organize animals into groups based on their characteristics. Scientists do the same thing with animals, grouping them by shared features. This helps them study and understand the relationships between different species. It helps us understand who's related to whom and how they live their lives. By studying these relationships, we can learn about the evolution and behavior of animals. Are you ready to meet the animal families? Let's go! We'll explore the fascinating world of mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fish. Each group has its own unique characteristics and stories to tell. From the powerful roar of a lion to the graceful flight of a bird, the animal kingdom is full of amazing sights and sounds. So buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're exploring a zoo, watching a nature documentary, or reading a book about animals, there's always something new to learn and discover. The animal kingdom is vast and full of surprises. So grab your notebooks and pencils and let's dive into the world of animal classification. Together, we'll uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom and learn about the incredible creatures that share our planet. Are you excited? We sure are. Let's get started on this amazing journey and meet some of the most fascinating animals on Earth. Welcome to the animal kingdom.
First up, mammals. What makes an animal a mammal? They have fur or hair, are warm-blooded, meaning they keep a consistent body temperature, and their mums produce milk to feed their babies. We're mammals too. Other mammal buddies include cuddly dogs, playful dolphins, and even giraffes with their super long necks. Fun fact, did you know a blue whale's tongue can weigh as much as an elephant? Now that's a big tongue.
Next, let's take flight with birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers, and those feathers help them soar through the air. They also have wings, lay hard-shelled eggs, and have hollow bones which are super light for flying. From tiny hummingbirds to enormous ostriches, birds come in all shapes and sizes. Fun fact, a group of owls is called a parliament. Imagine that, owls having important meetings in the trees.
Time to meet some reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded, meaning they rely on the sun to stay warm. They have scales or plates covering their bodies and breathe air with lungs. Snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles are all reptiles. Fun fact, did you know some snakes like pythons can swallow their prey whole? That's one way to enjoy a big meal.
Section 5. Amazing amphibians living a double life. Get ready to meet some slippery friends. Amphibians. Amphibians are super cool because they live part of their lives in water and part on land. They have smooth, moist skin and lay soft, jelly-like eggs. Frogs, toads, salamanders, and newts are all amphibians. Fun fact, a group of frogs is called an army. Can you imagine thousands of frogs hopping together? What a sight!
Section 6, Swimming Sensations, Fish. Let's dive into the water to meet some fish. Fish live their entire lives underwater and breathe using gills, which are special organs that take in oxygen from the water. They have scales and fins to help them swim. From tiny clownfish to giant sharks, there are so many different types of fish. Fun fact, did you know that electric eels can generate a powerful electric shock to stun their prey? That's one shocking fish.
Section 7. The Buzz on Insects. Get ready for a close-up with insects. Insects are the largest group of animals on Earth. They have a hard exoskeleton, 3 body sections, head, thorax, and abdomen, and 6 legs. From beautiful butterflies to busy ants, insects play an important role in our environment. Fun fact, did you know a group of fireflies blinking together is called a display? It's like a light show in the night sky.
Section 8. The Circle of Life, Animal Life Cycles. Welcome to this fascinating journey where we unravel the mysteries of how animals grow and change throughout their lives. Hold on to your hats, science fans, because we're about to explore the circle of life. Imagine the excitement of discovering how every creature, big or small, goes through an incredible transformation. All living things go through a life cycle, a series of stages from birth to adulthood. This cycle is essential for the survival of species and is a fascinating process to observe. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, each life cycle is unique and full of wonder. It's like a journey with different stops along the way. Each stage of the life cycle has its own challenges and adventures, making the journey of life an exciting story to tell. For animals, the journey usually starts with birth or hatching from an egg. This is the beginning of life, where the first breath is taken and the adventure begins. Whether it's a mammal giving birth or a bird hatching from an egg, this moment is always miraculous. Then comes growth and development, where baby animals get bigger and stronger. During this stage, they learn essential skills for survival, such as finding food, avoiding predators, and socializing with others. Watching young animals play and grow is a delightful sight. Finally, adult animals reproduce, having their own babies, and the cycle begins anew. This stage ensures the continuation of the species, as adults pass on their genes to the next generation. The care and dedication shown by animal parents are truly inspiring, as they nurture and protect their young until they are ready to start their own life cycle. Each species has its own unique life cycle, adapted to its environment and way of life. From the metamorphosis of a caterpillar into a butterfly to the complex social structures of primates, the diversity of life cycles is astounding. These cycles are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Understanding animal life cycles helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of nature. It also highlights the importance of conservation efforts to protect these cycles and the habitats that support them. By studying and preserving these life cycles, we ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of the natural world. So, the next time you see an animal, think about the incredible journey it has taken to get where it is. From birth to adulthood, every stage is a vital part of the circle of life. And remember, this journey is not just about survival. It's about the beauty and interconnectedness of all living things. The circle of life is a story that never ends, constantly renewing and evolving just like the world around us. Section 9. From little to large, growth and development. Let's talk about growing up. Just like you, animals change as they grow. They might get bigger, stronger, or develop new features. Think about a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly or a tadpole turning into a frog. Some animals, like humans, take care of their young until they can survive on their own. Others, like sea turtles, lay their eggs and leave their babies to fend for themselves. No matter what, growing up is an adventure. Section 10. Metamorphosis, the amazing transformation. Get ready for some amazing transformations with metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a big word that describes a dramatic change in an animal's body during its life cycle. It's like magic, but it's science. Think about a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. The caterpillar forms a chrysalis, and inside it undergoes an amazing transformation, emerging as a beautiful butterfly. Other insects, like beetles and flies, also go through metamorphosis. Section 11. Why learning about animals matters. Congratulations, science explorers! You've embarked on an incredible journey to understand the natural world around us. You've learned about animal classification and life cycles. These are fundamental concepts that help us make sense of the vast array of living creatures that share our planet. But why is this important? Why should we care about how animals are grouped or how they grow and develop? Well, understanding how animals are grouped and how they grow helps us appreciate the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Each species, no matter how big or small, plays a unique role in its ecosystem. It also helps us understand how our actions, like polluting the environment, can impact animals and their habitats. When we see the direct effects of our behavior on wildlife, it encourages us to make more environmentally friendly choices. By learning about animals, we can become better caretakers of our planet and all its creatures. We can participate in conservation efforts, protect endangered species, and ensure that future generations can enjoy the same natural wonders we do. So keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop exploring the amazing world of animals. Whether you're visiting a museum, going on a safari, or simply observing animals in your backyard, there's always something new to discover. Remember, every small action counts, and together we can make a big difference in preserving the beauty and diversity of our planet.